Hello friends, welcome back to Code tonight. So in today's video, guys, we will see how we can use Cloud AI to improve your YouTube channel performance. Okay, so like we have been using a lot of Cloud AI and ChatGPT AI nowadays, and today we will see how you can use Cloud AI Chrome Extension for your benefit and to make things easier. Because like if you use ChatGPT APIs or like ChatGPT AI, you will have to go and do things manually. But today we will see how you can automate things and then let Cloud do work on your end. So we will start by how we will be doing this. So you have to install Cloud for Chrome extension. Okay, you have to search for this extension and basically click on this. So you have to just click on add to Chrome and then you will be able to see the extension in your extensions menu. So once you do that, now what you have to do is you have to open your YouTube channel. So like for improving the performance, you often know the titles and the description of the video is pretty much required. Okay, so instead of going one by one and updating everything, what we can do is you have to go and click on Cloud. So it will open a window on your screen. Now remember, like first step is to authenticate the Cloud. Now when you will install it first time, it will ask for authorization and a login. Okay, and you will have to have a paid license account for Cloud, which is not that expensive for a small version. Okay, so you can buy that and then you will be able to use it like this. So see, now here you can ask it to change the titles or anything that is about your channel. So for example, I can tell it search for low views videos and update titles to be more user friendly and search friendly. Okay, so you just have to type that. Now we will not be going one by one on each video, and we have just told the prompt to Cloud. Now you will press enter and then it will start working. Okay, so you see it will ask for do we want to approve the plan or make the changes, but we will approve the plan. Now you just have to sit back and see what it do. Now the best part about this is like it doesn't block your screen. Okay, so while it is doing whatever it is doing, you can still work in other tabs of your machine and it will not block your work. Okay, so for example, now you notice because I told about low views video, so it has sorted by views, and now it is saying what are the low view videos, and you see it is going to go inside the video itself, and it is also going to change the description. Now while this is working, you can actually get off of your seat and you can walk around and do whatever you want. It will keep working itself without your instruction. Okay, so now see, like it is scrolling, and now I will show you till it is going to update the titles and description. So for now it is finding the video which it want to update. So like see, it is gonna click on the edit button. Now remember, I am not clicking on any of these, it is just being clicked by this Chrome extension. Okay, so now it has found the video title and description. So like basically normal way you will be going copying these, going to chat gpt and searching for better phrase. Now you don't have to do all that, like it is going to do this on your behalf. So because like nowadays ai is taking over the automation things, so that's the thing, like you don't have to worry about manually doing things, and you can pretty much uh, automate things for your easier work. Okay, so now for example, like it has updated the title here. Okay, and like it has searched what is the better phrase and it has updated it here. Now it is going to click save. Okay, similarly, it will be doing for the description. Now you can modify the prompt to be like add specific text in your video, or even it can figure out the channel and scan that and let you know what are the best possible settings, or even like what are the improvements needed in your channel. So, and this is how it is going to work. It works little slow normally, but like it is more like automation thing, so it will surely take time. So you don't have to just sit and keep saying this. You can just do your other works. Now, if you have multiple screens, monitors, and then you can simply work on other screen and it will not bother your work. Okay, so if you have to stop this, then you just have to click on this uh, icon here and it will be stopping the work. Okay, and like you can see, Cloud has started debugging this logger, so just cancel it and you can come back to your manual settings. So this is how you can update your channel. You can even analyze your channel about what kind of content you have to post or what you need to do, and it will help you scan all your channel. So this is how you can improve your channel using Cloud AI Chrome extension. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any kind of video, then comment on the video. Thank you.